Hi there, welcome to the third in a series of short videos aimed at the show me tell me element of the driving test. Today we're going to be looking at how you would open your driver's door window. So again, on your test the examiner will say, when it's safe, I'd like you to show me how you open your driver's door window. So I've left the door open particularly for this because you will not be able to see it operating. So you locate the driver's door switch, then just press it down and then take it up. They probably won't ask you to do that if it's pouring down with rain on your test. So I hope you've enjoyed this video, so look forward to seeing you again. Thank you.